Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to customize one of my business plan templates, specifically the marketing section of my business plan template, in about 30 minutes or less. So the way this tutorial is going to run is first I'm going to go ahead and kind of go through some of the limitations on my business plan template, also set your expectations of what it can and can't do. From there, I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience, so y'all know that I have a little bit of experience behind me as to why I can do these kind of tutorials, write up the business plan templates and such. And then finally, within a few minutes, we're going to dive right into showing y'all how to customize one of my business plan templates, specifically the marketing section. At the end of the tutorial, I will go ahead and also show y'all where you can pick up one of my templates. Each one of my templates are industry specific. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so the purpose of the video, like I said a few times already in just a minute and a little over a minute, is that I want to go ahead and show you all how to customize one of my my business plan template, specifically the marketing section, so you can have that section complete in less than 30 minutes. Now, with all of my templates, they are created in Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word, and also Microsoft Excel for the financial model. Because they are in Microsoft Office, they are not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. Also, if you have questions about any of my business plan templates before you purchase, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to answer any questions that you have before purchasing the template. After you purchase the template, I will refer you to my tutorials, which I will have tutorials for each one of the sections for my different business plans. That way, you're able to, just go to the reference the template or reference the tutorial for the section that you have a problem with. Go through it, and then you should be fully equipped to tackle that segment of the business plan template. So, in summary, before you purchase it, you've got questions, give me a call. After you purchase it, go ahead and reference the tutorials for assistance. All right. And then finally, experience. Again, my experience, I am a professional business writer, specifically a business plan writer. If you are struggling with your business plan, even after you go ahead and purchase the template and you're going through the tutorials and you just can't get a grasp on it, or you don't have the time to do it, feel free to pick up the phone. Again, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. If you just need that little bit more nudge, the template's really good, and the tutorials have really gotten you, almost 90% to the finish line, but you're just missing that little oomph, then please feel free to check out Amazon.com. Search my name, Paul Borosky. I do have business plan books published on Amazon that may be able to assist as well. And then finally, my education. I am an adjunct professor, subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do need some assistance with your financials, you've already got your business plan knocked out, you're struggling with the numbers, give me a call again. Be delighted to assist with that segment. All right, infomercial done. Let's talk about the marketing plan of my business plan template. So each one of my templates are designed for an industry-specific setup. So for this particular example, I'm focused on the vending machine industry. And the way this is broken down is into traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. So let's be honest, with most businesses, you're going to be doing traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. So this is a real good structure for just about every business out there. Obviously, there's going to be some changes, some differences, but for the most part, that is how you're going to be doing it. So I do give you a good structure for the marketing section. However, if you want to add a little bit more meat to the bone, make it, customize it, and just, add a little bit, more of a personal feel, then we can easily switch around the template to something like this. So for example, what I've done is, in this example right here, the main traditional marketing driver is going to be signs on the side of the machine. So that's what I put. And I've also have it here in the template. So, but to add, just to make it a little bit more of a structure, to give it a little bit more of a structure, what I've done is I put signage out front, italicized it with a colon. So that tells the reader that, here's how the signage of the traditional marketing is going to look like. You can also add word of mouth advertising to the marketing structure as well, following the same structure: word of mouth, colon, and then italicize it, and then talk about how you're going to do some word of mouth marketing for this particular opportunity or this particular example for vending machines. You're going to start talking to people about it. You're going to ask some friends and family and whoever's, some of your customers. Again, ask them to spread the word that your vending machines are here, is at this location, they carry fresh products, and so on and so forth. You can follow the same structure of the name of how you're going to be doing your traditional marketing with the colon, italicize it. You can do it for mailers, you can do it for print media, you can do it for, if your business is for government contracts, then you can do it for government contracts at all. But the structure is the same. And so, hopefully that's going to be helpful. For the most part, the internet marketing and the social media marketing, that's a good structure. If you want to add a little bit more information to it about, talking about your website and, any other aspects, maybe some, Google ads or some, Facebook ads, you can add that information as well. All right, so hopefully that information is helpful to show you how you can go ahead and take a, the structure of my marketing section for the business plan template, add a little bit more structure to it, and then expand upon the structure that I've always given you with some customized information. All right, so if you like what you've seen, you can go ahead and purchase one of my templates on my website at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan templates. On this site, I do have some templates available, about 50 to 60 templates right now. And then also, I do have business plan template tutorials as well. So on my tutorial page, I've got tutorials for a company description, industry analysis, SWOT analysis. So all those different segments of my business plan, I do have a tutorial to show y'all how to take the business plan template and to customize it, add more details to make it your own. Hopefully this information was helpful. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up on YouTube, and as always, have a fantastic day. Thank you.